Hey guys, Sam from Sparesbox here, and of course you might recognise the cars in the background. We're of course at GFB HQ down here in Peakhurst with the man himself, Brett. Now he told us that there's a couple of really exciting products coming out for the Kia Stinger, and we of course had to come and check them out for ourselves. So we're going to take you for a bit of a factory tour and a look at the GFB Project Kia Stinger and the sweet products that they've got installed on that car so far.